Alright, this is my Craftsman 550E 1.9 PSI power washer, and I wasn't able to get it started. So what I did was I pulled off the filter and cover, and I made sure all the little bolts back there were tight, because what happens, I believe, is because this baby worked, then it stopped working. I just put a new carburetor in it, and what I believe happens is the bolts get loose, and then the gasket that keeps allows this to pressurize begins to leak, and you can't get gas to the motor. So that's just something that I've run across. I wanted to share because it's been making my life difficult for a while. I finally figured it out, though. Hope this helps.